Hello, this is a video I'm making about my Junsun V3 Pro. So it's the Junsun V3 Pro unit that I've installed in my Nissan Qashqai. This is just a little update video that I did regarding the rear camera and a cable that I bought from InCarTech. I've installed the cable and I've been doing some testing, and I just wanted to kind of show how it's working. So if I can pull this thing out. Wait. That comes off the bottom, that makes it a bit easier. There we go. So there. Okay, so here is the InCarTech adapter. Right here. This is the 24-pin adapter. I've attached the ground up to the chassis here, and it's the adapter, so it's plugged in. Let me get this out. There we go. And I've attached the RCA lead to the RCA lead to the reverse RCA lead here on the back of the Junsun, the V3 Pro. I've also used the brown back cable, which is this one, and connected that to the reverse. Oh, there it is, the reverse signal cable. That's what back means, reverse. So in a previous video I mentioned the back cable. It's the reverse cable. It's labeled back on this one. So I've hooked that up. Basically all I did was, you can see here, I folded the cable over a few times. I exposed about 1 centimeter of wire. I folded it over a few times and kind of stuffed it into this contact here. So you can see it's contacting. It's basically just a signal cable to when you put the car into reverse, when you hit the reverse on your I guess either if you have an automatic you have a thing, but this is a manual, so I have the reverse gear here. It sends a signal which tells the unit to display the RCA reverse cable, the reverse camera, sorry, which is here. So that's what I've done. Let's see if we can get this back in without incident. So we can get everything back in here. Okay. Just gotta gently kind of fold everything back inside. Trying to gently do that. There we go. So I think I'll press something. All right. So doing all of that, having that all connected, once you hit the reverse gear, you get the reverse. So that's the reverse gear there. The camera's working. There it is again. Everything's working. So that looks like it's doing its thing. Great. Perfect. So just wanted to show this. This is the InCarTech reverse adapter. This is specific for a Nissan Qashqai 2010 version. It's the J10 version. I have the J10B, but it's for the J10 version, which allows you to use the factory supplied or the Nissan supplied reverse camera. with this Junsun unit. That cable, it costs about £30 UK, plus shipping. For me, I think it was like, I don't know, like £55 or something in the end, because of all the shipping costs. But yeah, it looks like it works. So good stuff.